Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the battery in a Dell 11-inch Chromebook. Before you begin your replacement, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you may also want to have them handy, as they might be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to remove the 7 bottom cover screws. Next, you will use your spudger to go around the perimeter of the bottom cover and carefully pry it away from the keyboard assembly. Now, you will disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Next, you will remove the 4 battery screws. Now you can remove the battery. Now, you can set your replacement battery into place and replace the 4 battery screws. Now, you can reconnect the battery cable. Next, you will snap the bottom cover back onto the keyboard assembly. The final step will be to replace the 7 bottom cover screws. You have now successfully replaced the battery in your Dell 11-inch Chromebook. Good job!